Hello there, my name is Jamie Wright. I'm the UK Sales Director for Fischer Kerrn. We're here at ISE 2020 showing our Concierge booking software suite for the Smart Office, made for Microsoft Outlook and Office 365. So what we've got on the stand here today is our booking systems for both meeting rooms and hot desks. We can also do mobile booking, visitor management, wayfinding, reporting and analytics. The customer can access the booking system from various different touch points. So as you see, we have the interactive meeting room booking screens. They can also use hot desking screens, hardware and also software as well. What we're showing up here on the larger screen is the Outlook plugin. And so the customer from completely within Outlook can do smart filtered visual searches for their spaces, whether that's hot desks or meeting rooms. And then they can filter down the search by location, capacity and equipment. This can be used for meeting rooms, hot desks, car parking spaces, and then once the booking has been done, the customer, without having to leave Outlook, can then add services such as catering or perhaps a team to come and lay out some AV technicians. If you've missed us at ISE 2020, you can find out more information and download information at www.fischerkerrn.co.uk. Thank you.